Hello my lovely, so today's video is going to be my birthday get rid of me. It's not really a get rid of me, it's literally just my makeup, but I thought I would record it for you guys. It's really simple, it's just basically focuses on my skin, lots of blush, and yeah, I'm not really into eyeshadow at the moment, so I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing guys, thank you. Okay, so to prime my face, I used two products. The first product was the MAC Strobe Cream, and I also went in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which I really love. I've been using it quite a lot actually, and I got my second bottle, I think a few days ago, so I really, really love it. And then for foundation, I used the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and I believe the shade I got was oh god, my voice, Igwaku. Really love it because it's full coverage. And then I also went in with the Too Faced concealers for contour and for highlight. I can't really remember the shades, I'm really sorry guys, but if you do want to know what shade I got, just comment down below and I can let you know. I had to have a little break from doing my makeup because I realised that my wig was sliding. So I had a half wig on for my birthday and I realised I didn't actually adjust it in properly. So I'm just fixing that. And then once I've sorted that mess out, I'm actually going to go in with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa to bake and set my under eye. I really love this powder, it's my favourite. I do use a few other products for my under eye, but this is my favourite, and for events like my birthday, I don't want to experiment with anything else, so I go with what I know and what I love, and that's Huda Beauty. So love that for me. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations for any setting powders that you love, that you think is better than Huda Beauty, let me know, because once again, I keep using the same products and it's getting a bit boring. Now focusing on my brows, I'm going to be going in with a dark brown pencil I buy from the beauty supply store. I've been using this for years. I use it for my brows and my lips. I love the shade, but for my brows in particular, I kind of like to go for a natural look, so I just mimic my brow shape already and do some fake brow strokes. That's basically it. I don't do any like concealer underneath my eyebrows or anything, just because I don't like that sharp look anymore on me. And then I'm just going to use that same pencil to line my lips. I love this shade of dark brown, so I always use it. There's nothing I've found by any other brand that I really like, so I just go with this, and it's really cheap, £1, so might as well. If you couldn't tell from my reaction, this is my favourite powder. It's by Chanel. It's their loose setting powder. It's actually called the Natural Finish Loose Powder. I can't pronounce the whole name of it just because it's in French, I believe. But it's really, really nice. I've got this in, I can't remember the shade. Oh, it's actually shade 121. And I just use this to powder my whole face and blend in my under eye powder, just because I don't want it to be too harsh. This powder is amazing. It's quite expensive, but it's a very big bottle, so you're getting your money's worth. So yeah, definitely give it a try if you're interested in a new powder, because I really, really love this. to bronze my face and contour my nose, I'm using the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep. I use this all the time. I actually have about 3 different shades of this Revolution powder, and it's not going down, so I'm just going to use it until it finishes. So once again, it's one of those products that I use all the time, but I really love it. The shade is really nice and it's quite subtle. I really wanted to make sure my makeup today was not too harsh. I wanted to make sure I blended everything in. The only place that I tend to make it quite harsh is around my nose, just because I like that chiseled look, and I know that I'm going to be taking photos, so things like blush and nose contour I kind of harsh out a bit, but the rest I really wanted to make sure I blended it out, and this powder is really, really good for that, so I love it. I've been thinking about you all day, working up the nerve. I think you deserve a night if you're feeling thirsty, a night if you're all this ring back. For lip products, I went in with a Sephora gloss in the middle, and it's in the shade 7. I don't really know the actual name of it, but it's just a plump effect lip gloss. And then I went in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Chocolate, just for the outer rim. Ever since I saw Yvonne Victoria do the outer lip thing with the hot chocolate, I've been doing it and I love it, and I can't stop doing it, so that's my go-to. And then I just go in with this really cheap NYX eyeliner and just put in some beauty marks. I've got quite a few beauty marks under my foundation, and I like to just bring those back in, give my face a bit more dimension. And then I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio in the shade Berry Adore. It has 3 shades. One is called Velvet, the other is Exotic, and then the other is Desert. I tend to mix all 3 and put that on the temple of my cheeks and my nose. And then I go in with this very busted Kiko Milano eyeshadow, but I use it as a highlighter, and it's in the shade 200. Really love it, really sparkly, and it just looks really nice. And that is the look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any products I use, please do let me know. But this was my birthday makeup look. Really loved it, and yeah, have a lovely day, my lovelies. You deserve a night if you're